She's the blueprint. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we are reviewing another woman exclusive from Maniére, and it is called She's the Blueprint. I just said that. I'm looking at the box. Yeah, man. Maniére is getting a little confusing with their releases. I love how they cater to the woman, but letting them come in store first, and it's a lot going on, man. But shout out to the owner of Maniére. I'm feeling it. It's a lot, but I'm feeling it, man. It does remind me of the OVO 12s from a long time ago, if y'all remember. But I'm digging more contrast with these than the 4s. The 3's still number one, hands down. We're going to get into a full in-depth review with these. But you know we do our Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. And today I'm rocking the Jordan 3 True Blues, the OGs. Being that we're getting them back, we won't have Nike on the back, but we're getting them back, and that's why I got those on. When you catch this video, write down in the comment section below what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, man, hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm sold on the acrylic pullout now. I'm sold on it. I didn't like it at first, man, but with all our favorite collabs doing it, I'm sold on it. So you get that, but this one is probably the best because the black is so bold all the way around it. So I'm really feeling this. When you get past that, you get the iconic Jordan box. This is my childhood Jordan box. To just do it, like this was it, man. So it says Maniére there, very nice, both sides. Jordan there. It used to say just do it on the box. I remember that, but I also remember this, quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. This is dope. Large Jumpman Jordan on the front. Open it up. You get a nice Maniére logo, the A, and it looks like a Jordan picture in the background. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's him leaning over, and he looks tired. Must have been the flu game, being that these are the 12s. And you can't see it if you up front, but the camera's picking it up perfect. You got Maniére tissue. Oh man, these bad boys are sick. And let's start with the left shoe. Here's a 360 view of the left shoe. She's the blueprint, Maniére Jordan 12s. So you get a large, large hang tag, guys. And it's inside the Ziploc bag. The same Ziploc bag Nike keep telling us is bad for the earth. Move to zero. But that comes in there. And I think it comes in this Ziploc bag because this looks like it gets scratched up every time it hits or dings on something. Let me tell you guys that this is paired straight from Maniére, so I don't know if you get them from Nike, they will look like this. Let me let y'all know that, please. All right, so there go your Maniére color in the suede, and then a black and like a better suede. I say better suede because this suede here is meant to look like it's been used already. We seen this on the Cactus Jack khaki joints, the more abrased UNBOX suede. I'm really not a fan of it, but in a rugged color like burgundy, I'm digging it. When you get past that, you get the gloss look of the OG Jordan 12 tab here, and that reads Jumpman, like it always does. Thought it would say Maniére, but this always say Jumpman there, and it's shiny, very, very shiny. Jordan 12 silhouette. If you've seen one, you've seen them all. That's in burgundy and in black. Or burgundy and a darker burgundy. Yeah, it's burgundy and a darker burgundy. So 3 shades of burgundy, 3 different textures. Nubuck suede, rubber leather, and then just rubber. The inside of the shoe went back to that Jordan 3 look with the diamond cut inside. Looked like you inside of a luxury vehicle. I always thought that was dope for Maniére, and that does scream woman. Very, very comfortable, man. I love this look. The bottom also staying OG with your Jordan tab here. Jordan 12 tab, I should say here, OG. Also, the 2-3 on the back is OG. On the tongue here, you have the Maniére A. Nice suede tongue. Material is A1, man. Maniére don't miss with quality. That's something I could tell y'all. The shoelaces is in like a waxed shoelace. Very, very small. These look like very small shoelaces. But yeah, you get the wax lace there. The bottom, Jordan 12 inspired and kept it that way. They didn't change anything. But they did add a little bit of designs in the inside. I can't really tell if that's Maniére A's, but I like it. This is the right shoe here. And again, with the white, that's foreshadowing the ones that's coming out. I think this weekend, the white and burgundy is coming out. But they're not better than the black, in my opinion. But on the left shoe, instead of the Jordan branding on the back, it says Maniére. So, left to right does change, guys. You got the Jordan branding there, the Maniére there. That changes. Let's see if this says Maniére. No, they both say Jumpman. Still, maybe the tongue changes. Yes, and the tongue changes. So the A on the left, the Jordan Jumpman logo on the right, and these are nice abrased metallic looking logos on the tongue. It's not inside the tongue. Yes, sir. Priced at $225. I think shipped to me was like $250 something. I never complain about the price for Maniére because you know you're going to get the quality. It's how much of this purplish burgundy they decide to use is the only thing I could complain about when it comes to them. The white and burgundy pair comes out March 4th, I want to say. I'm going to get my hands on those two, compare them together. But I'm really feeling this because as far as Jordan 12s, the only other one I own is the Flu Games. And this is spot on, man. You replace the red with the burgundy, and these are burgundy Maniére Flu Games, man. Let me know in the comment section below, did you cop? Are you looking to cop? Again, on foot today, I got on the Jordan 3 True Blues, the OGs. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.